Good golly. Almost fell off the ladder. Good golly, Miss Molly. Look at this. Somebody didn't get this screwed on, and I look at that and I thought there was going to be a box back there, but see that? They cut a hole in the sheetrock, ran the cable, and there's no outlet box there. And see, that's where they screwed it in at the top, the bottom and the top up there, down in there. And it came off because they didn't put any plastic anchors in there. So, you know, I'm going to take some plastic anchors like this, and I'm going to put them in those holes and cinch this down. The trick with that is I've got to pull this back far enough to get the anchors in there. I want to make sure that the hole's not too big, and if it's too small right now, I'll make it just a hair bigger with my little ice pick or a scratch awl, but not too big, because the last thing I want is to put this plastic anchor in and have it spin. I want this to be snug. Not sure who did this, but since I'm here, I thought I'd be a good steward and fix it. Okay. I know that's got to go out bigger. And see, I could take my scratch awl, even a little screwdriver, twist it in there. I think it needs to be just slightly bigger, about like that. Now, just perfect. Put that in and tap it in. Beauty. Now, for the top one, I did the same thing. Hope I got enough clearance of this wire, geez. I just run my screwdriver back and forth to dig it out, you know, as a cutter. Last thing I want is to hit that porcelain outlet, huh? Now, I can screw this in, and I found some screws. I think these screws are all right. Let's see. Not much room for air. That porcelain has, there's a little piece of backing there, and if your hole was smaller, then you would break out the back. It's designed for two different size outlets, or junction boxes. Granted, this is supposed to screw right into a junction box, see? But in this case, they didn't do it. This is not really the proper way to install something. And if I was installing this from scratch, I would have put a cut-in box in here, or a nail-on box before the sheetrock, let's say. Just getting over here further so I can get up here properly and screw this bad boy in. I just don't want to screw it in too tight. The thing with these porcelain fixtures, covers, you go too tight, you snap out the back, or you could crack the edge. So snug as a bug, that's it. Just snug, don't overdo it. You want to overdo it, my question is why? Just make it secure. I'm not going to go any tighter than that. That's more better.